If you're experiencing lag spikes in Call of Duty, there are several quick fixes you can try to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to potentially resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection if possible, as it tends to be more reliable than Wi-Fi. You can also run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth or system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other games. Step 3. Adjust game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. This can help improve performance and reduce lag spikes. Look for settings related to texture quality, shadows, and resolution. Step 4. Update drivers in-game. Make sure your graphics card drivers in the game itself are up to date. Developers often release patches that could fix performance issues. Check for updates regularly. Step 5. Change server region. If you're playing online, try changing your server region to one that is closer to your location. This can help reduce latency and improve your overall connection to the game. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate lag spikes in Call of Duty. Enjoy your gaming.